Welcome to our video comparing the Saeco Espresso machine, descaler, and the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo. If you're a coffee lover, you know how important it is to have the right equipment to make your perfect cup. In this video, we'll be comparing these two products side by side so you can make an informed choice. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Both products offer protection against limescale buildup. The Saeco Espresso machine descaler is specifically designed for this purpose, while the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo has a built-in water filtration system. The Saeco Espresso machine descaler offers adjustable settings for different aroma levels, while the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo offers 6 one-touch recipes with color icons for different types of coffee. The De'Longhi Magnifica Evo has a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings and a traditional milk frother to easily prepare perfectly textured foam with milk and milk alternatives. The Saeco Espresso machine descaler does not have these features. Both products offer some level of convenience when it comes to cleaning and maintenance. The Saeco Espresso machine descaler has removable and dishwasher-safe parts, while the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo offers a self-cleaning function. The Saeco Espresso machine descaler is priced at $20 US, while the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo is priced at $599 US. While the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo may offer more features, it comes with a much higher price tag. And that concludes our comparison of the Saeco Espresso machine descaler and the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo. Both products have their pros and cons, and it ultimately comes down to what you're looking for in an espresso machine. We hope this video has been helpful in your decision-making. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.